When I say Cuisinart Verticle Waffle Maker, you immediately think sweet. I'm saying savory. Savory pizza waffles with all of your favorite ingredients. The difference is in the batter, we're putting things like fresh oregano and cheese, but we have to follow the same guidelines of putting our liquid ingredients and dry ingredients together separately first, then incorporate them together. I've got the oven preheating at about 375 degrees. Let's get started. With the all-purpose flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt evenly incorporated in my dry mix bowl, I want to add some cornmeal. And I wanted to tell you about the fact that the cornmeal will add a really good look and texture to this batter. This is the fastest pizza dough you will ever make, and it smells so good. Every time that fresh oregano hits the pan, it brings it to life. Now, I want to show you how easy it is to assemble something like this. I've got some raw tomatoes here, which I love. It's classic, it's simple, the flavors are bright and fresh. And then I'm gonna add prosciutto and mozzarella and arugula and all of my favorite ingredients. I'm gonna pop it in the oven at 350 degrees to 375 until it's golden brown. After just 7 minutes in the oven, you can see that cheese is melted and caramelized nicely. All the ingredients are heated through, and listen to this crunch. That is what you want when you make a pizza. That's the fastest dough, that is the best pizza that you're ever gonna make in about 10 minutes total time. The Cuisinart Vertical Waffle Maker does it to perfection.